Good morning. Today we have to see about the solid state topic MCQ questions. First question is which of the following is the property of solids? There are four options. First, solids are characterized by very weak interparticle forces of attraction. B option, solids do not have definite volume. C option, solids can be easily compressed. And D option, solids have definite shape. There are four options. Out of these, the first three are the properties of the amorphous solids, and therefore the solids have the definite shape. This fourth answer is a correct answer. Second question, a solids having irregular shape is called dash 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 solid. Option, there are four options. A. Amorphous. B. Crystalline. C. Anisotropic. D. Amorphous solids. The solids having irregular shape is called the amorphous solid. Answer A is a correct answer. Amorphous solids. While other properties crystalline solid, anisotropic and isomorphous, these are the properties of the crystalline solids. Third question, amorphous solids dash dash dash. There are four options. A option possess sharp melting point. B. Exhibit anisotropic. C option are supercooled liquids. And D. Possesses long range ordered structures. In this question, the three options A, B and D are the properties of the crystalline solid, while amorphous solids are the supercooled liquids, and this answer is a C. Fourth question, which of the following is a crystalline solid? There are four options. These are very simple questions. First is a glass, B. rubber, C. plastic and D is a sugar. The first three examples, glass, rubber and plastic, are the examples of the amorphous solids, while sugar is crystalline and therefore sugar is an example of the crystalline solid, and answer is D. Fifth question, which of the following is an amorphous solid? There are four options. A. tar, B. graphite, C. blue vitriol and D are the copper. The graphite, blue vitriol and copper. Blue vitriol means copper sulfate, and therefore graphite, blue vitriol and copper are the crystalline solids, while tar is an example of the amorphous solids. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Two or more substances having the same dash 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 are said to be amorphous. There are four options. A is a molar mass, B. crystal structure, C. constituent atoms and D is a melting point. For this question, the two or more substances having the same crystal structure are said to be amorphous solids, and therefore answer is B. 7 number, the existence of the substance in more than one solid modification is known as. The existence of the substance in more than one solid modification is known as option A, polymorphism, B, isomorphism, C, anisotropy, and D, isomerism. The polymorphism means the substance exists in more than one solid forms, then this is called as a polymorphism. Iso means same, morphism means phase, therefore the same phase, then the isomorphism. Anisotropy, this property of the crystalline solid, their physical properties are different in different directions, while isomerism, same molecular formula but different structural formulae are called as isomerism. Therefore, according to the definition, the existence of the substance in more than one solid modifications is known as polymorphism. Answer is A. Then 8th question, find the odd one out. Questions options: A, alpha quartz, B, cristobalite, C, beta quartz, and D is a calcite. In this case, the alpha quartz, cristobalite, and beta quartz are the isotopes, while calcite is a different formula of the calcium, and therefore calcite is a odd one from these four. Therefore, the answer D is correct answer. Then graphite, diamond, and fullerene are the polymorphic forms of. There are four options: sulfur, B, carbon, C, calcium carbonate, and D, silicon dioxide. In this case, the sulfur, calcium carbonate, and silicon dioxide are the tetrameric forms, while carbon, this is the elemental form. Elemental forms. In this case, the graphite, diamond, and fullerene are the polymorphic forms of the carbon, and therefore answer is B. This is the carbon. There are some other questions are given for homework. Solve these questions carefully. First, which of the following is not a correct for ionic crystals? There are four options. Question number 10. Then 11 number. Which of the following solid or constituent particles are held together by electrostatic forces? 12. Diamond is an example of. There are four options. 13. Which of the following is correct for diamond? 13. KCl is an crystal. And last question, question number 15. A sea of mobile electrons is present in the solids. There are four options are given. All these are the crystalline solid type, and a sea of mobile electrons is present in the solid. Find out the correct answers. Solve this question number 9 to question number 15 very carefully. These questions are very simple. Thank you.